In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subdomain for your domain on Namecheap. This will only take about 5 minutes, and I'm here to guide you through each step with clarity and precision. Let's start by logging into your Namecheap account. Begin by navigating to the Namecheap website and look for the account button, usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Click on it to proceed. Next, you'll need to enter your username and password. If you haven't done so already, make sure your credentials are saved somewhere secure to avoid any password mishaps in the future. Once you've got your login details in place, click on sign in and continue. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your dashboard. This is where you can manage all your domains and settings. On the dashboard, find the domain that you want to create a subdomain for, hover over it, and you should see an option labeled Manage. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the domain management page where you can see all the settings related to your domain. Now in this section, look for a tab called Advanced DNS. Clicking on it will allow you to manage your DNS settings, which is crucial for setting up a subdomain. On this page, search for the button that says Add New Record. Clicking this will bring up options for various types of DNS records. Here, you'll want to select a record from the drop-down menu. An A record helps map your subdomain to an IP address. Once selected, it's time to specify the subdomain itself. In the host field, type in the name of your subdomain. For instance, if you're setting up a blog, you could type blog to make the full address blog.yourdomain.com. After specifying the subdomain, enter the IP address that you want this subdomain to point to. This is typically the server's IP address where your subdomain content will reside. Double check this information to ensure there are no errors. Now it's time to save your changes, so make sure to click on Save Changes. This ensures that your new DNS record is properly recorded and your subdomain starts resolving correctly. Next, let's add a redirect. This isn't always necessary, but it can be handy if you want to redirect your subdomain to another URL. Return to the domain control panel and find where it says ADD redirect. Click on it and you will see options for source URL and destination URL. The source URL is your new subdomain, and the destination URL is the address where you want your subdomain visitors to land. Enter both and hit Save Changes to finalize, and there you have it, your new subdomain is ready to use. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful. Thank you for watching and happy web hosting on Namecheap.